Hello learners. In this session, we are gonna learn about basic structure of C program. Let us start with character set. There are following types of character set: uppercase alphabets, lowercase alphabets, digits, special symbols, white spaces. As every language contains a set of characters used to construct words, statements, etc., C language also has a set of characters, which include alphabets, digits, and special symbols. C language supports a total of 256 characters. Now, let's learn about alphabets. C language supports all the alphabets from the English language. In lowercase letters, they are from small a to small z, and in uppercase letters, they would be from capital A to capital Z. Heading on to digits. In C language, it supports 10 digits, which are used to construct numerical values. Those digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, let's see about special symbols. The following figure represents the special symbols supported in C language. C language supports a rich set of special symbols that include symbols to perform mathematical operations, to check conditions, white spaces, backspaces, and other special symbols. The special symbols are given on the screen. They are at the rate, dollar sign, percentage sign, hash sign, minus, plus, brackets, etc. etc. Every character in C language has its equivalent ASCII. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So every character in C language has its equivalent ASCII value. Now, C identifiers. Identifier refers to name given to entities such as variables, functions, structures, etc. Identifiers must be unique. They are created to give a unique name to an entity to identify it during the execution of the program. Now, let's learn about rules for naming identifiers. A valid identifier can have letters, digits, and underscores. The first letter of an identifier should be either a letter or an underscore. You cannot use keywords like int, while, etc. as identifiers. There is no rule on how long an identifier can be. However, you may run into problems in some compilers if the identifier is longer than 31 characters. Now, see keywords. Keywords are predefined, reserved words used in programming that have special meanings to the compiler. Keywords are part of the syntax, and they cannot be used as an identifier. Some keywords in C. They can be shown in the following image. Some of them are auto, double, int, struct, break, else, etc. You can refer to the image on the screen for more keywords. Thank you.